Welcome to my channel. I'm Noble Credit, here giving you a review of the USAA Cashback Rewards Plus card by American Express. Now, USAA issues the card, American Express handles the payment. So you can see the American Express logo in the bottom right corner. That's in place of like a Visa or a MasterCard. So you won't actually find this card on American Express's website. You got to go to USAA for that. So we're going to start off with some of the key benefits for this card. So this card is going to be mainly geared towards military, their dependents, and anyone who lives on base, really, or if you shop on base a lot. So you get 5% back on gas. Now this is not only on military bases. This is any place that codes as a gas station. So you're going to get 5% back on gas, 5% back on military bases. Now what does this one mean? This means, I'll tell you what it doesn't mean. It doesn't mean if you go to a vending machine on a military base and you make a purchase, are you going to get 5% back? No. Are you going to get 5% back at the hot dog stand on a military base? No. You're going to get 5% back at the Commissary, the PX, the BX, the NEX, LAX. Okay, not LAX, but you're going to get 5% back off at the major exchanges and commissaries. So don't let this one confuse you. The wording of this, as I wrote it, is the same wording that's going to be on the site. It's also the same wording that's going to be within your rewards pamphlet when you actually get the card. So I already had a dispute about this. This is general on purpose, so be wary of that. But it's still pretty good. You get 5% back at commissary, so that means you can go grocery shopping. You can go shop for all your needs. That's what mainly I use it for. And you're getting maximum value back. 5% is usually the max that any credit card issuer is going to give you. And we have, okay, so it's a no annual fee card and no foreign transaction fee. It's also a 2% on groceries card. So go to Safeway and you get 2% back on this card, which I wouldn't do because there are better grocery cards out there. I would use this for two things. I would use this for military bases, so commissary, NEX, PX, BX, LAX, not LEX. I would use this for gas if you're not already getting 5% back on gas. Okay, so a lot of cards out there, get your 5% back at all times. That's what I recommend. And last but not least, there is a sign-up bonus for this card, and it's $500 worth of spend within 3 months, and you get 500 back, or excuse me, 150 back. This is the USAA Cashback Rewards Plus card. It's a card that I regularly use. It is within my lineup, and it is a very useful card. Also, American Express or USAA has a really good customer service team that they're really helpful. They've helped me when I've had disputing about this military base. 5% back. They were really good about answering my questions. So this is a really good card. You need this in your lineup if you're in the military and if you shop on base. I'm Noble Credit. Peace out.